Hey, welcome back. I'm Darby from Makerspace of Greenville, and in our everlasting quest to improve our storage and organization here at the shop, today's project is going to tackle this. This is a box of files. We have some wood rasps, and this box was just hastily made when we first opened. But the problem is it doesn't look very professional. So what we're going to do today is actually make a box, or several boxes that are large enough to fit our tools, so we can, improve the storage. So what I had worked on was basically rough drawing. Doesn't have to be precise, but at least to give us an idea of what we're doing. So I was thinking possibly a box that's about 4 inches tall, maybe 6 inches wide, and I don't know, originally I said 16 inches long, but our wooden rasps are actually 16 exact, so it needs to be longer. I originally thought to make them 16, but I think we're going to go 18, and then we can trim down, and the end panels will fit inside the box. So it should give us just enough room to do the job. So let's head over to the wood saw and start working. So the boxes are going to be 18 inches long, so we're going to go ahead and set our table saw at 18 inches. And we'll rip down this plywood. Okay, so that last attempt was a very bad idea. I thought I could handle that long piece, but really there is no way to safely handle something that big by yourself on a table saw. So I brought out some roller extensions. These will help support the weight, and that should make it a whole lot safer to cut this piece. So let's try again. One of the biggest dangers of using a table saw is kickback, and that generally happens when you have wood that goes in and starts turning. The longer piece you have, the bigger chance you have of it kicking back. There are various safeguards that kind of help you out. There's these little pawls here on the back that will catch the wood if it's coming back towards you. Sometimes that's just not enough, so safe practices is a lot better than relying on safety features. For the sides of our box, they're going to be 4 inches tall. We'll go ahead and start ripping down several sides, and the bottom will be 6 inches, so we'll go ahead and cut those while we're at it. So now for the sides, 4 inches. For the ends of the box, since the boxes are 6 inches wide, we need a 6-inch strip. So we'll go ahead and cut down another strip off our big piece. We're going to go a little long. we're going to cut it at 6.5 inches. That gives us another pass where we can bring it down to 6 and make sure we have nice straight edges. Since the ends of the box will actually sit on top of the bottom and inside the side pieces, we need to subtract the width of the bottom. So that's going to put us at 3.5 inches. And we need 6 of these. One more step we need to do before we start assembling our boxes is to make sure we go ahead and clean up some of these edges. We're just going to do that real quick on our belt sander. One of the reasons we do this is now that that edge is really smooth, the pieces will go together really well, and the details are what makes any job that much better. Next step, let's glue it up, and we'll use 1-inch brad nails to help hold it in place. If you lay out your pieces before you start doing it, it helps a lot. We are using this nice sanded ply. One side is painted, sanded smooth, the other side's a little rough. We want to make sure the nice side is out. So when you lay it out, make sure that your rough side is up, and that will help us when we put it together. All right, first one down, 2 more to go. All right, what a great build. We have 3 boxes, and I think they came out pretty nice. You can see there is plenty of room. So our biggest tools fit in quite well. There's our box for the rasps. Another box. All of our files are going in this. Beautiful. And when you make them in bulk, you end up with like a couple extra. So I'll have to work and figure out what that one's gonna hold, but I'm sure there's something around here that will fit. So thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, leave us a comment and like and subscribe. It definitely helps. And if you're ever in Eastern North Carolina, stop by and see us. We are Makerspace of Greenville. Thanks.